Hey, what's going on everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you reset this maintenance required on your Toyota, and we will be using Toyota RAV4 as an example, but this method should work on most of the Toyotas. Whether you got Toyota Camry, Corolla, Tacoma, RAV4, it works on most of the Toyota vehicles. So when the maintenance required light comes on, you'll need to change the oil, and after you change the oil, it is good idea to reset your maintenance required light. So for the next time, you'll know when to change the oil again, and this is really easy to do as it will take couple of minutes. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your car and make sure your odometer is set to total mileage. Here into the odometer, if you are getting a trip sign, make sure to push your odometer key, that will show you the total trip. So now put your car key into the ignition and turn it on and into the run position. You can see we have already set it to the trip mileage. So now that our odometer is showing the total mileage, put your car key into the ignition, turn your car on to the run position, and you can see now we have a trip mileage up. Now hit the odometer button. In my case, the RAV4 doesn't have the odometer key right over here. So here it is. This is a display key, which is the odometer key actually onto the steering wheel. The next thing you have to do is press and hold the odometer button, and as you hold the odometer button, put your key to the off position and then turn it back on. Bring your car into the run key position and continue to press the odometer until the required light shuts off, and that's how you can reset the maintenance required light on your Toyota. Now you can see my Toyota doesn't show maintenance required light. There it is guys, that's how easy it is. Well, I hope this video was helpful, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.